This is our technician.
So ini adalah Zino 2. Dalam Zino 2 punya semua box lah. Kita buka untuk assembly ya. Dalam ada apa parts ada dalam Zino 2 ni. So we just open out and see what inside on the Zino 2. So this is the main box. This is the optical flow sensor, and this is the gimbal, the camera gimbal, 3-axis gimbal. So and the inside here is I think it's the battery box. So and the motor here, it has 4 board on this. This is the, I think this ESC board is the motor board. So this is all inside the Zino 2. And this 4 is the closing clip spring. I think it's called the closing spring clip. It's installed here one. So now we try to install back all. This is our technician, L3 technician. So let's do it.
subscribe. Thank you.
Through the back door.